What do whales eat? If you have ever found yourself standing on the shore, watching the majestic whales glide through the ocean, you might have wondered what these enormous creatures eat to sustain their massive size. Let us take a closer look at the diverse diets of these marine giants. Whales are broadly categorized into two groups, baleen whales and toothed whales, each with distinct feeding habits. Baleen whales, such as blue whales, fin whales, and humpback whales, do not have teeth. Instead, they use baleen plates to filter their food from the water. Blue whales, for example, can consume up to 8,000 pounds of krill a day. They use a method called lunge feeding, where they propel themselves through a school of krill or small fish with their mouths wide open. The water and krill enter their mouths, and then they force the water out through their baleen plates, trapping the krill inside. Humpback whales also employ lunge feeding, but have an additional unique strategy called bubble net feeding. They create a ring of bubbles around a school of fish or krill, then swim through this net with their mouths open to capture their prey. This cooperative feeding behavior is often seen in areas like Alaska and Antarctica. Gray whales, another type of baleen whale, feed on bottom-dwelling organisms such as small crustaceans, mollusks, and worms. They roll on their sides to bring their mouths close to the ocean sediments and scoop up these creatures along with the sediment, filtering out the food through their baleen plates. On the other hand, toothed whales have teeth and a more varied diet. Orcas, or killer whales, are apex predators and eat a wide range of prey, including fish like salmon and herring, as well as larger marine animals like seals, sea lions, and even other whales. They hunt in groups, making them efficient and effective predators. Sperm whales are known to feed on squid, including giant squid, and can also eat large fish and even sharks. They do not use baleen, but instead rely on their powerful jaws and teeth to catch and consume their prey. Beluga whales and narwhals, also toothed whales, have diets that include shrimp, cod, and halibut. These whales are not as large as some of the other species, but they still require a significant amount of food to sustain themselves. The feeding behavior of whales can also vary based on the availability of prey. For instance, blue whales use different foraging strategies depending on the density of krill patches they encounter. When they find rich, dense patches, they stay underwater longer, taking more gulps to maximize their calorie intake. In summary, whales have diverse and adaptable diets that range from small krill and fish to larger marine animals. Understanding what whales eat helps us appreciate their role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems and ensures their conservation for future generations.